No. Alright, just to you busy bee looking motherfucker.
And 311, y'all, we can tell.
Straight dissing y'all bitches.
Savage.
I come around your city full of dreadlocks out your head, knock your ass out and light your hair on the fire, man. You don't give a fuck, I smoke mad trees and have my dudes school and knock you out like nigga, what, please? You a stupid ass nigga, gon' talk that shit and push Ryan and have Nate sock his ass, you little bitch. I'ma tell you what's up, I'ma get you fucked up and I'ma shoot you in the head. I'ma lump your ass up, I'ma stomp you to your face. Put into the ground, you stupid niggas wanna see me. Here I am, nigga. You don't wanna be me. You can't even see me. I shine so bright, I leave you motherfuckers wheezy. Fuck all y'all niggas.